Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to settings so you can change text size now. Once in settings, tap chats to reveal chat display controls. Make sure your app is updated and you're on the main account page, otherwise the option may be hidden. If you're on Android, use the three-dot menu. On iPhone, use settings. This quick access step prepares WhatsApp to show the font size control you'll adjust next. Now you adjust the actual font size. Tap font size or text size under chats or accessibility. Choose small to make text compact. You'll see a live preview in the sample chat. If your device shows a slider instead, move it left until text meets your reading comfort. Once done, exit settings and reopen a conversation to confirm. Make sure to compare sender and receiver fonts. Some media captions scale. Finish by scanning several chats to confirm the small font applies consistently. If some text still looks large, check your phone's system text or accessibility settings because they can override app choices. If changes don't stick, update WhatsApp, clear the app cache Android, or force close and reopen the app. As a last resort, restart your phone. That refreshes system UI scaling. If problems continue, toggle the accessibility magnification off and back on to reset any conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.